smoke in the air. This morning. Jim is our chauffeur driver.
I thought you were just...
Got Whitney and Jessie James in the back. Good morning.
Good morning.
Or what was giving me problems. I didn't know how.
Because there was
A lot of oncoming traffic.
They had plenty of room they could move over. You weren't going to hurt the trees, you just didn't want the combine scratched up.
Well, I hope I didn't scratch the combine. And then the little
like
wide
6-footers just for random stuff to try out.
What's that?
That Highway 80 sign. It's just...
I hope it wasn't me. Good morning. It's day 15. To be honest with you, at this point, starting a day not in the cab of a combine would be weird. So let's see what today brings. Looks like I should have taken the time to clean my window a little bit. Maybe it'll blow off. So Brett and Dave and Dennis were here before the sun rose. Thanks for the picture, Brett. And the rest of us headed up here.
Hey Jesse, do you have a copy?
A little bit later. We're all gathered together, ready to start the day.
Brett, do you have a copy? I have your phone, Whitney. Okay, thanks. That's what I was going to ask. I figured.
And a half. Dash wise, west on to Portland yesterday.
There's a nice little drainage on this road to watch out for.
17 at 827, and your 14% dark northern straight off of Nickel at 899. For the Western Ag Network,
Okay, thanks, Whitney.
You're home for a day.
That's the mountains that Chief Joseph and his Deere hid out for a while from Colonel Miles when they were running from him and they were going to make they were trying to get to Canada and they decided to go ahead and surrender instead.
because of the smoke in the air. But there are the Bear's Paw. The Bear's Paw Mountains are just east of the field. And as you heard Dave explain, there's some history to that range of mountains. And I will put a link in the description of this video that you can actually read more history about the Bear's Paw.
Alkali or what? Well, it's after the snow melt up here this spring, there was a big old water hole sitting there, believe it or not. Water sitting in there. There's some bad tracks in there. Spreader truck tried to go through there and got stuck. You have to kind of watch it there. It's low enough to hold water. Okay, yeah. So it is just a low spot. I couldn't tell. I don't know, it's just low enough to hold a big old water hole in it. As we work west over there in the southwest corner, there's kind of a little lake bed over there too. Should we drive around them now? Oh, we're good to go straight through. Just watch them deep tracks. Did you see them, Dave?
There's the deep tracks he's talking about.
Set me free. Somewhere in the middle of Montana.
Good job down there, Jesse. You can get him. Okay.
Well, I don't think I even want to attempt to go over those. My grain bin is completely full, and the 2 carts are full, and it looks like Dennis is almost full. It's up to those 2 right there. Gives me a little bit of time to step out and stretch my legs anyway. Another one down for the count. One final one just creeping along. We finished the barley and now are back to wheat. But this is not a hard red winter wheat. It is hard red spring wheat. That means that it was planted this spring. The winter wheat was planted last fall in September. Right now it shows that we're doing about 50 bushel, which I think for spring wheat, that's fairly good. I think it's going to average between 40 and 50 bushel here. We have more spring wheat to do once we get back
Which end do you guys want me on?
to base camp.
Come straight across the road, or did you already get out of the yard?
I'm just pulling away from the auger.
Okay, just shoot straight across the field there. Dave made an opening for you, Connor.
Sounds good, thank you.
You're welcome.
See if we'll get Jimmy to wave at me today. Oh, he did just a little bit. We got one man down right now, so it's just the 3 of us, me, Jim, and Dave. Dennis's combine decided to break a belt, which meant he needed to take a trip to Havre to get a replacement. And then we'll all be back together again. Havre is about a 50-mile trip northeast of where we're at right now. So it could be maybe a couple hours before he gets back. Whoa! Haven't seen you in a long time.
I've been everywhere.
Have you?
Uh-huh.
Hey, nice shirt.
Like that?
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you.
Oh my gosh.
Want a close up?
Yeah.
Promo. For whoever made this. Will that work?
And more monster cookies. Maybe that's all I'll eat.
Sure, and then I'll take you in.
This is Connor. We hear Connor on the radio all the time, but we've never seen his face.
And everyone thinks it's me.
And now we see it. And you've seen Bryson. And you've seen Jesse James. And we see Jim Zeorian a lot.
Hey, Jim.
There's Whit. Look at how that auto steer never keels off of the direction that it's supposed to be going. It stays right on the same row. And we're just about to the end of our big sandy run here. We've got about finished my pass and their passes and maybe one or two yet, and then we are done. And then we would make the move back to home place, I'm guessing in the morning. Fourth machine did make it back in the field, so that helped get it done quicker. And I get what's left. There's a rock. Well, I guess we're headed back to the farm. and I really hope that you enjoyed today's daily update. If you did, why don't you give it a thumbs up for us? We'd like to know that. And be sure to hit the subscription button and the bell notification so that you know when the next video is up and ready to watch. Thank you, and we're so glad you're along with us for the journey.